Yes, good afternoon to dear student. Today I will discuss enthalpy of reaction and the enthalpy of formation. This is the part of unit 5 and the subject name is the thermodynamics. This is the outline of the today lecture. The thermochemistry, the nature of energy, thermochemistry terminology, first law of thermodynamics, enthalpy of reaction and enthalpy of formation. This is the first slide of the today lecture. Thermochemistry. Basically, the fuel and combustion chapter deals with the thermochemistry part, and it is called the energy. Energy is the first law of thermodynamics. Deal with enthalpy, oblique calorimetry, Hess law, and the enthalpy of formation. Hess law is it is not necessary for your subject point of view and the course curriculum point of view. Enthalpy of formation, and after that, the enthalpy of formation, enthalpy of reaction. It is also discussed today. The nature of energy, we know that about the kinetic energy and the potential energy. It is already you know that what is the kinetic energy, that is the 1 by 2 mv square. Potential energy object possesses by the virtue of its position, that is called a potential energy. And the potential energy can be converted into kinetic energy, that is the example of bicycle at the top of the hill. This is the main example of the potential energy converted into the kinetic energy. The nature of energy, that is a unit SI unit of the energy. Kinetic energy, that is a 1 kg meter square second square, that is the 1 joule meter, that is the example of the unit of for the energy. Sometimes the calories use the instant of the joule. कई बार joule की जगह calorie का word भी इस्तेमाल किया था, तो 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule exactly. Nutritional calorie, 1 calorie is equal to 1000 calorie is equal to the 1 kilocalorie. Thermochemistry terminology, this is the system, part of the universe we are interested in, surrounding the rest of the universe. जो यूनिवर्स के अलावा और जो चीजें रहती है वो सराउंडिंग्स में आती है. बाउंड्री बिटवीन द सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग, दैट इज द बाउंड्री. एक्सोथर्मिक, दैट इज द एनर्जी रिलीज बाय द सिस्टम टू सराउंडिंग. यदि हीट सराउंड सिस्टम से सराउंडिंग तरफ जा रही, बाहर की तरफ जा रही, तो एक्सोथर्मिक के रूप में आती है. एंडोथर्मिक, इफ द एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब बाय द सिस्टम फ्रॉम सराउंडिंग, if the heat is taken from the surrounding to system, that is the deal with the endothermic. The work, that is defined product of force applied to an object over a distance. That is the work already explained in the strength of material and the applied mechanics subject. Heat, transfer of the energy between of the two objects, that is called the heat. The first of the thermodynamics, that is the internal energy. Total energy of a system, that is called the internal energy. Involve translational, rotational, vibrational motion, cannot measure absolute internal energy. And the change of internal energy, that is the final internal energy minus of the initial internal energy. And the first law, thermodynamics also relating change of internal energy to the heat and the work. Energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. Energy of the system plus surrounding, that is a constant. Any energy transferred from a system must be transferred to the surrounding and the vice versa. From the first law of the thermodynamics, change of internal energy, that is the small q plus of the W. And the system and the surrounding, that is here presented in the this slides. The first law of the thermodynamics, heat is already taken by the surrounding to system, but कई बार आपने देखा है कि हीट जो है सिस्टम से सराउंडिंग की तरफ भी ट्रांसफर होती है. If the heat is taken by the surrounding, then the heat is more than the zero, and the surrounding, that is the work done, is greater than zero. First law of thermodynamics, calculate the energy change for a system. This is a practical example where the energy in which the heat is are given 15.4 kilojoule, and the where the 6.3 kilojoule of the work is done on the system. That is the total change of the energy. That is the 15.4 plus of the 6.3 kilojoule of energy. That is the change of internal energy. It can be calculated easily. So that's why here the sign convention already discussed in the thermodynamics first chapter. When the heat is supplied from the system to surrounding, that is the negative sign. And when the heat is taken, when the heat is supplying from the surrounding to system, or the heat is given up by the surrounding to the system side, that is the positive sign. Similarly, in the work related summary, if the work is given up by the surrounding to system, that is the negative work done, and the work done on the system, and when the work done is by the system to surrounding, that is the positive work done. This is the difference between the sign convention used in the relationship among the heat work and the change of in the internal energy. This is the fundamental. The first law of thermodynamics, endothermic, already discussed, absorb the heat from the surrounding, and the endothermic reactions fill the goods. And the exothermic, transfer heat to the surrounding, and the exothermic reactions fill the hot. This is the example where the tight fitting cork that is installed is here. Ring is stepped with the clamp, and the nail is stuck through the side of the plastic bottle, and the Tesla coil that is used in the bottom side is sparking producing on the bottom side. This is the example where the combustion equation can be generated. Endothermic reaction, here it is represented in the chemical equations. The first law of thermodynamic state function already depends on the initial and the final states of the system, not on how the energy, internal energy is the use. Chemical reaction can absorb or the release heat. However, they also have the ability to do work in the case of enthalpy. For the example, when the gas is produced, then the gas produced that can be used to push a piston, thus the doing work. The work performed by the above reaction that is called the pressure volume work. When the pressure is constant, that is equal to the minus of P into delta V. Enthalpy, that is the HCl solution, and the hydrogen gas plus the horizontal atmosphere, that is the summations, where the work energy and the flow energy would can be combined. And the enthalpy that can be represented by the mathematically capital H is equal to the capital E plus of the PV, and the enthalpy is the state function. Delta H is equal to the delta in bracket of the capital E plus of the PV, delta E plus P delta V, that is the enthalpy, that is the enthalpy. And this enthalpy can be represented by the another manner, that is the delta H is equal to the delta E plus the P into delta V, where when the H is delta H is the positive, the system gains heat from the surroundings. यदि एंथैल्पी चेंज ऑफ एंथैल्पी पॉजिटिव है तो सिस्टम हीट गेन कर रहा है सराउंडिंग से. यदि डेल्टा एच नेगेटिव है, चेंज ऑफ एंथैल्पी नेगेटिव है, तो सराउंडिंग को हीट दे रहा है या बोला चाहिए सिस्टम से सराउंडिंग की तरफ हीट जा रही है. Enthalpy or the heat of reaction, that is the surrounding system, and the heat, both are the given in the endothermic and the exothermic. So when the change of internal energy is the greater than is zero, it means the heat is supplying from the surrounding to system side. When the exothermic terms can be used, there will be of the change of there will be a loss of energy in the form of heat, and the heat will be going into the system to surrounding. When the change of internal energy will also decrease from less than 1. Enthalpy of reaction, that is represented by the mathematical expression change of the enthalpy, final enthalpy minus of the initial enthalpy. That is means the enthalpy of the product, that is the final enthalpy minus of the enthalpy of the reactants. And the enthalpy is the extensive property, magnitude of the change of enthalpy, that is directly proportional to the amount. This is the expression, mathematical expression representing chemical equation, representing where the change of internal energy can be obtained on this manner. Here it is minus 1604 kilojoule is obtained from the chemical equations. Enthalpy of reaction, it is represented also in the form when can be reverse a reaction. We change the sign of the change of internal energy. If the change of the enthalpy depends on the state, that means the change of enthalpy, it can be calculated minus 44 kilojoule. Calorimetry, that is the heat capacity and the heat specific heat, it can be measurement by the calorimetry measurement of the heat flow, and the operator that measure the heat flow, and the heat capacity, that is the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of an object by 1 degree, that is called the heat capacity. Molar heat capacity, that is the heat capacity of the 1 mole of a substance. Specific heat capacity is equal to the heat capacity of a 1 gram of substance, and the Q is equal to the small q is equal to the specific heat in the gram of the substance into the delta T. This is the substance and the unit of the specific heat, or this is called capital S, and the joule per kg gram per degree Kelvin, that is the nitrogen 1.04, aluminum 0.902, phosphorus 0.45, CH4 2.20, CO2 0.84, wood and glass 1.76, 0.84. This is the formula of the heat transfer. When the 24.2 kilojoule is used to warm a piece of aluminum with a mass of 250 gram. What is the final temperature of the aluminum? The initial temperature is the 5 degree centigrade. There are the calculating of the final temperature. If the initial temperature is the given in the problem, and the heat transfer of the amount of 24.2 kilojoule is used to warm a piece of aluminum with a mass of the 250 gram. M is given the 250 gram, and the 24.2 kilojoule is used for the heat transfer for warming of the aluminum piece of the aluminum. This is the final temperature can be calculated by the given the equations. The Q is equal to S. S is the specific heat in the into the mass into the change of temperature. So S, that is called the specific heat. M is the mass of the substance, and the delta T is called the change of temperature. Calorimetry, that is the constant pressure calorimetry. Atmospheric pressure is the constant, that is the change of enthalpy is equal to this much specific heat of the solution multiplied of the grams of solution and into the change of temperature. This is the calorimetry where the parameters are given in the slides. Thermometer, here it is represent measuring the temperature. Glass stir, after the stirring, the temperature will be changed. Cork stopper, whose maintain the temperature inside of the outside temperature will be remains constant. And the two styrofoam cups nested together containing the reactions in the solutions. This is the presented in the calorimetry slides. Calorimetry examples, these are the examples. Enthalpy of the formation, if 1 mole of the compound is formed from the its constituent elements, and the enthalpy change for the reaction is called enthalpy of formation. It is represented by this mathematical terms delta H naught F, that is the enthalpy of formation. F means formation, and delta H is the change of enthalpy. Standard condition, that is the standard state, most stable form of the substance at 1 atmosphere and the 25 degree centigrade, that is called 298 Kelvin. Standard enthalpy delta H naught is the enthalpy measure, then the everything is a standard state. Standard enthalpy of the formation, 1 mole of the compound is formed from the substance and they are the standard state. Enthalpy of the formation, if there is a more than one state for a substance under the standard condition, the more stable one is the used. Standard enthalpy of the formation of the most stable form of the element is 0. Enthalpy of formation are the given in the tabular form. That is the acetylene, ammonia, benzene, calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, diamond, ethanol, ethanol, ethylene, glucose, hydrogen bromide. These are the substance. Formula is given. Enthalpy of formation is given in the unit of kilojoule per mole. Another substance cites the hydrogen chloride, fluoride, iodide, methane, methanol, propane, silver chloride, sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, surface, water, and the water vapor. These are the substances given in the tabular form. In the chemical formula is already presented, and the change of enthalpy for the formation already given in the numerical value form. So substance and the change of enthalpy in the formation kilojoule per mole, it is represented in the table. So this is the carbon, oxygen, and the another substances. This is the diagram, enthalpies of formation. To calculate the enthalpy of reaction, that is the change of enthalpy, it is represented is here. The change of enthalpy, that is the change of enthalpy of product minus of the change of enthalpy of the formation, that is the reactants. And M is are the stoichiometric coefficients. Calculate the heat of reaction for the combustions of the propane gas giving the carbon dioxide and the water in the numerical slides. This is the food and the fuels. The slides, chemical equations are the represented. Fuel value, that is the energy released when 1 gram of the substance is burned. Most from the petroleum and the natural gas, remainder from the coal, nuclear, and the hydroelectric. Fossil fuels are not the renewable. In 2000, the United States consume 1.03 into 10 to power 17 kilojoule of the fuel. In 2005, the United States consumed 1.05 into 10 to power 17 kilojoule of the energy. This is the another slide in which the foods and the fuels are the representing in the percentage basis in the different fields. Natural gas 23%, जो मतलब नॉर्मली वैसे होता है, लेकिन आपको जो एक्चुअल कंडीशन मिल रही है या 2005 में जो आपको मिल रही है वो 22.6% के रूप में दिखाई दे रही है. Percentage for the 2000 2005, this is the differences between thermochemistry, that is the energy, first law of thermodynamics, जो कि ऑलरेडी हमने फर्स्ट स्लाइड में बताया था. तो उसमें आपकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी आई थी and the change of internal energy I think that is equal to the Q heat transfer plus of the work done, and after that the change of enthalpy, that is the enthalpy of the products, and the enthalpy of the reactants, that is the change of enthalpy. So thank you, that is the today lectures.